So how are you doing, Jeremy?
Leave me alone.
Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Elizabeth. Welcome to Filipina Girl Next Door. Today's just gonna be an ordinary day. I have 3 days off in a row, and there's a reason for that. That because tomorrow, my son and I are gonna go to the zoo, since him and I can't really hang out because he's got school and then I have a work. So I'm so excited because I want to go to the zoo before it gets really cold, and I hope the animals are out still. So that would be fun. We haven't been there together for like uh, a few years now, and teenagers, they don't want to hang out with mom. But anyway, I'll be cooking a Omahan style kare kare, and I'm gonna be cooking meat outside, and so we're gonna hang out with some friends and family. So see ya. Stick around. These are the ingredients for my kare kare. I have a pork belly. I'm gonna have 4 slices of them, and then I have a. My husband does not eat oxtail, so I went ahead and grab him a spare ribs pork, and of course I want super crunchy, so I'm gonna use the peanut oil. And I do have a shrimp paste. You can get it from Asian store. My husband loves this stuff. I have corn peppers, brown peppers. I have salt, peanut butter, fish sauce, and I also have this kare kare mix. Of course, I'm gonna have to put that. Even though I have this, I'm gonna add some more peanut butter with it. And my husband does not like string beans, like the sitaw, so I went ahead and grabbed a green beans. This bok choy actually is from our garden, and then I grabbed some more bok choy from Asian store. Instead of pumpkin, I'm gonna use the zucchini again from my in-laws vegetable garden, and I have a just one, what do you call this, eggplant. So let's do this. So in a big pot, I put all the meat. I'm gonna boil it for a little bit. They're gonna swim in there with onions and onion leeks, and I put some peppercorn and salt in there. So we're gonna wait until it boils. And by the way, I put like I would say a quarter of a gallon of the peanut oil. As you can see, this gallon is actually full. It's all the way up here, so now I put so much, but it is what it is. Merry Christmas. Stay away from that. Oh, she bites. Ooh. Ooh-wee. I think it's done. Stay away. Here. Some more. All right. Huh? Oh, oops. Kamusta work?
Ayos lang, te. Ayun, si nanay naka-ano na. Naka-active na sa taas.
What do you mean? Oh, ano na siya? Mobile na siya?
Nakapanlit na. Tasik ng mandi kayo mga to?
Oo. Inano ko kasi siya. Diyan, nilaga ako muna. Hindi eh, hindi natuyo ng ano, paper towel.
Sabi
So,
sa'yo eh, ilagay mo muna dun eh.
ha?
Parang i-air dry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Impatient.
Nasa labas naman, okay lang yun. Hi, bebe.
Asan ka kanina nag-video?
Ha?
Nandito ko siguro.
Ay! So, these are actually, Jeremy does not like oxtail, so we have a spare ribs. Right there. Boom! This is Janica. Janica, say hi.
Get off work.
Are you single? Your boyfriend is single, huh?
I'm single for the day.
Yeah.
I'm here for the week. That's it.
Look at Alyssa. Is she helping Jeremy?
Yes.
Yeah. Alyssa!
I don't think it's healthy. She's like putting the door
Oh, she's putting the dirt
back.
back to the ground. Alyssa, baby. Baby! She's helping you, Jeremy? What are you doing, Alyssa? She's putting the dirt back. You don't do that. You pick up the dirt and put it in a wheelbarrow. No. No, not like that, babe.
Put it here. Put it here. Put it there.
No, we need that dirt, babe.
Keep the money.
Yep. Yep, that's what's eternity like.
Who you, Lisa?
Transfer one dirt to the other. There you are. Baby like this. Come here. Baby, come here. Alyssa, pick this up. Alyssa, pick this up and then put it here. Yes. Good job. Now, pick this up. Come here. Alyssa. Alyssa, over here. Right here. Not there. Over here. Pick this up and put it there. Pick this up. Good job. Now, pick this up. Here. Put it in a wheelbarrow. No. Go pick it up again. Alright, put it in there. Good job. Oh. So you have dirt on one hand and what is that? Candy on the other? Oh, it's chalk. Good job, baby. She's helping you. Good job. Right. Do it some more. Good job. You're a good helper. Alright, she's gonna fill that up. Oh, where's the birds? Where's the bird? Pick up some more. No, over here. Is it a hummingbird? Oh. Are you done? You're done? Good job. Give me a high five. High five, baby. High five. High five. What's that? Where's your slipper? Hey, where's your slipper? Uh-oh. Go get your slipper, baby. No, don't go. Hey, hey. No, baby. No. Ha?
Pwede nang burn ako.
Ano? Ano yan? Let me see.
Amoy, ano? Sunog? Sunog ko eh. Gusto mo charcoal?
Masarap nga. Matamis na charcoal. Okay lang yan. Birds.
Patulog na to kanina eh. Kanin. Amoyin mo na lang yung ulam ni tita.
Ayan, meron oh.
Ito yung kayo. Kanina naman gusto nito batang ko. Wait na.
Ayan na nakakataba, day. Tingnan mo si tita. Oh. Ritik.
Perfect. Namiss ko ang kanin.
Ha?
Namiss ko ang kanin.
Hmm.
2 linggo ako hindi nagkanin.
Wow. Ako, 2 linggo akong nagkanin. Baligtad tayo. Hey, don't go in there. It's hot, okay?
Yan nga.
Leave me alone. Shit to do.
I'm gonna follow you wherever you go. This is like live. Ugh. It's nice out here. Oh my goodness. Where's all my hummingbirds? They're not hanging out here. Anyway, we have a lot of hummingbirds. So all the meat actually is done. So I come back inside. My vegetables are cooked as well. So now it's time for me to cut all the meat. And I'm gonna saute them again with garlic and onions and frying pan and mix it all up together and put the sauce. And so that's what's going on here right now. It's done. Put the vegetables back. So this is the finished product, the Omahan style kare with a shrimp paste. I hope you like this vlog and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.